Are you also running a business where you are losing your leads because you couldn't reply on time? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn your WhatsApp chat into sales automation. So for that I have created an AI assistant which is going to resolve my customer queries, and that will help my business to engage more customers. So now let me show you what I'm talking about. So for that I'm going to move towards my WhatsApp, where I'm going to act as a user, and here I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help, and this message is going to initiate my AI assistant. So here I'm providing this message, and here as I have entered this message I'm getting this response which says, of course I'm here to help with Skillforce related queries. And now here I'm going to enter another question to check its proper working. So here I have provided this question, that is, what courses do you offer, as I'm creating this AI assistant for my skill training institute business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. You just have to make a simple change, that is, you have to change the knowledge base. Now you might be thinking, what is this knowledge base? So knowledge base is basically the brain of our AI assistant, and right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question to check whether we get the proper response according to our question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question, that is, which course is best for beginners. Now let's wait for the response. And now let me show you the brain of this AI assistant, that is the knowledge base. And right here you can see that we are getting the answer of my question. And this is the knowledge base, basically a document containing the details of my business, from where my AI assistant is fetching the data. And right here I have started my knowledge base with a business overview which will let my AI understood what my business about is and who my target audience is. And right here I have entered all the courses provided by my business, and here I have entered all these details in the key points so that my AI doesn't get confused. And right here I have entered all the details of my business, including the fees and payment options, class modes and timing. And right here you can also see that I have provided the most common query, that is for the contact and support. And here I have entered some of the questions so that my AI can understood how it has to respond to my customer queries. And now, as we have seen the working of this AI assistant, let me show you how you can create it. And for that we are going to use an automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part is you don't require any coding skills for creating this amazing AI assistant. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page of the Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page, which you can get by tapping the URL of the Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards my AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here on this AI instruction tab, I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent. And now we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now we are getting this option for setting the temperature. So temperature here basically depicts the creativity of the AI sensor. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most stable temperature. And afterwards our AI will be selected, that is OpenAI, and from here you can select the model of the OpenAI. Now for building the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow, we have to enter this API key, and for getting it you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you are using a paid account. And right here I have entered this API key. Now let's click over this connect button, and right here my OpenAI key has been saved successfully. Now from this AI assistant settings section, you can modify some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles and entering it. And afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant, so you can enter it over here. Now the next we are getting this option for entering the retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10, so you can enter the number from 1 to 10. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And here you can modify your own fallback message. Now let's move on towards our next tab, that is knowledge source, where we are going to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant, and you can upload your knowledge base in either .txt or .pdf file format. So now let's upload it, and right here I'm on my media library, where if you want to add the new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file. But right now I already have my knowledge base for the skill institute, which I'm going to select and click over this insert button for uploading it. And here you can see that my file or my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting this name and the vector ID. Now let's configure assistant interface tab, and right here it is asking me to enter my header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as Skill Force, which is the name of my brand. And as I'm entering it, you might have observed one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same heading name which we has just entered. And afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and here we are already getting this subheading name which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant. Now here you can even provide the initial message which can be seen over the preview too. Now from this field of the display the powered by Pabbly label, you can enable or disable it. Now let's disable it and see the changes, and right here you can see that powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I'm going to keep it as enable only. Now here you can provide the footer text, footer link as well. And at last we are getting this field for the user's first message. So this is the message which will be sent to the WhatsApp from the user's side. Now let's customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant in this styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can even change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And not only this, you can even provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the simple process for creating this AI assistant, which is going to automate all the manual conversation between you and your clients. And now we just have to enable it by activating this toggle, and for saving it we simply have to click over the save AI assistant, and right here it is saved successfully. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and right here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the simple process for embedding this AI assistant to any website. Now let me show you one more important task, that is enabling AI assistant. So for enabling it for your all contact or a particular contact list, you just have to go towards the settings where you will see this option of inbox settings which you have to select. And right here we are on this page where you just have to scroll down, and at last we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies, which you have to keep enable. And from this field you can select your all contact or a particular contact list, and from this field of the AI assistant you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list. Now let me show you how to do it for a particular chat. And for that I'm on my inbox section, and right here I'm going to enable it for this particular chat. And right here you can see we are getting this option for choose AI assistant which you have to enable, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So right here I have selected the AI assistant which I have just created, and here you can see that my AI assistant has been enabled successfully. So this was the process for enabling AI assistant for a particular chat. Now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant. So now you have seen how you can create an amazing AI assistant which is going to turn your WhatsApp into sales machine, as this AI assistant created on your WhatsApp will provide the answer of all the queries of your customers, and your customers will get engaged more with your business, and this is going to grow your sales too. So now you can also automate this entire process by just using an automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.